Hello friends, I am Maulik Bansali. I am Gezi IT Association Chairperson and CEO with NetWeb Software. Friends, over last 1 month, we have gone through very unprecedented times and are seeing a lot happening, the way we work, how we work, and so on. Over this time, we have adapted the new way of working, and most of us are working from home. Of course, there were issues, there were initial teething issues that had to be ironed out when we started working from home. But however, over the period of time, we kind of adapted it to very well. Our people adapted to it very well. And more than just focusing on our activities, we started focusing on our results, on our productivity, but result oriented and outcome oriented. A big change in our industry, making us even more competitive going forward from here on. So while we have adapted to continue to work from home, and efficiently so, it is even more important to continue to work from home for a few more weeks, and I believe at least till end of this month, so that we can avoid all the rush of our employees to the office and keep ourselves safe, keep our employees safe, and their families also safe. It is very important that we do that, and even so crucial now, so that we can continue to deliver. Our business continuity plan remains more stronger that way, and it will also boost our employees' morale that much more versus someone falling sick or found COVID positive, which would demoralize entire workforce. So I honestly, sincerely recommend to continue to work from home as much as we can and wherever possible to the maximum ability. It is also important that if and when we go back to work, make sure that we take all the necessary precautions, follow all the guidelines issued by the government and the policies that we have to follow to be able to see that our people are safe, and we kind of continue to do even more, practice more safety, sanitization, commutation to the office, all these aspects which have to be looked at, we must follow that. We at Gezi will soon introduce and kind of soon come out with a guideline which we all can really follow. It is equally more important that in current times we kind of come together as we have come together so far in our fight against COVID. Now it's time to try back and come back and not just respond but revive and come out more stronger. These are the times when we should really collaborate even more, exchange with our resources, with our knowledge, with our abilities, with our capabilities, with our outreach to our different markets, and come together more stronger. And I'm sure if we do that, and I'm very confident that we'll come out more stronger and thrive. Thank you, friends. It was great talking to you. Stay safe, stay healthy.